Okay, I just want to show you the wash-up procedure for Stickit Pro. Stickit Pro's got a 2-hour pot life, so it's really important that you do all of your injections before you actually end that pot life. Otherwise, the adhesive's going to be cured in your lines and your needle. It'll be a nightmare. So the idea to make this easier, flush a bit of water through before you even set up. What that does is it lubricates everything. It makes it easy to clean up afterwards. When you're finished, you basically untwist to release the pressure. I've got a little bit of adhesive left in there, and I can just tip that onto some soil or grass or into the garden. Then what I'd recommend you do, you can use normal water, but the fastest way to wash up is to use a bit of boiling water or hot water. So if we put some hot water in there and give that a really good shake and a rinse. And then what we want to do is we want to do this 2 or 3 times to clear everything out, and especially to pump that through the lines. So it can be a bit hot holding boiling water. But the idea is try and get that through 3 or 4 times so that it's totally clear. And what you'll find is that actually cleans out your lines faster than anything else. You can see I've got that pressed and it's now starting to run through. But just pump it up a few times and run that through 3 or 4 times. So the needle's mostly clear. What I'd want to do is carefully remove that rubber plug, and you can actually just give that a bit of a wash and save that for later on. With the needle, put the cap on, twist it anti-clockwise, the needle comes off. Could be an idea to wash that in the sink a few times just to make sure there's nothing in that. But you basically want to be running anything through that nozzle to make sure that there's no more adhesive in that. So do that 3 or 4 times, and then you'll find that that pump bottle will be basically good, starting to go clear there already. And I'd recommend you do that 3 or 4 times until it's totally clear. There's no white adhesive evident anywhere. Give it a really good shake in here as well, so that you're actually getting all of the remnants around from the pump and the bottom of the pump. But when you're finished, you basically tip the remnants out and you can store your pump ready for the next time you need to use your Stickit injection repair kit.